Hi students, textbook exercise problem number 6. I0 is the intensity of light existing between two crossed Polaroids kept with their axes perpendicular to each other. A third Polaroid is introduced between them. What must be the angle between the axis of first and the newly introduced Polaroid to get the maximum light from the whole arrangement? So this question and similar questions have been asked in the competitive exams many times before. Very interesting numerical problem based on the Polaroids. Okay children, now this is one Polaroid whose optic axis is in the vertical plane, okay, in the vertical direction, and the intensity of light coming out of the first Polaroid is I0. Now a second Polaroid is kept perpendicular to the first one, okay, it is kept perpendicular. So this optic axis is perpendicular to the first one, and in such a situation now another Polaroid is introduced, P3. So between P1 and P2 a third Polaroid is introduced such that its optic axis makes angle theta with the direction of P1. So the axis of P3, the axis of P3 makes an angle theta with the axis of P1. So now what will be the intensity of light coming out of P3? Let it be I3. Okay. So I am going to use Malus law. So the intensity I3 is given by Malus law. So intensity I3 is equal to the intensity I0 into cos square of the angle between the two axes. So this angle is theta, cos square theta. So this is equation 1. This is from Malus law. Have you understood first? Okay, this intensity I3, okay, is passing through the second Polaroid P2. Actually this is the second Polaroid, isn't it? Now what is the angle? What is the angle between the axis of the third Polaroid P3 and the axis of the second Polaroid? Already this angle is theta with respect to the first one. This is with respect to the first one. This is the third one. Is it not? This is what the second one. So already this angle between P1 and P3, the axis is theta. So the remaining angle must be 90 minus theta. So in this picture, the remaining angle is 90 minus theta. This is the one and only point to understand carefully. Otherwise, the problem is very easy. So this final intensity coming out of the second Polaroid is I2. Okay. So again from Malus law, what will be the expression for I2 is equal to, I2 must be equal to this I3 into cos square of 90 minus theta. Okay, 90 minus theta. So these are the two basic equations. Now instead of I3, what we are going to substitute is I0 cos square theta. So this is now equal to, in place of I3, shall I substitute I0 into cos square theta? So this is I0 into cos square theta. Okay, what is remaining then? Cos square 90 minus theta. So this is cos square of 90 minus theta. And now I am going to adjust the terms. First I divide this I0 by 4. Again I will multiply by 4 into cos square theta. Okay, cos square theta into cos square 90 minus theta. Okay, so now this term I will choose and I will rewrite this as a square of a term. So now I2 must be equal to I0 divided by 4 into 2 cos theta into cos 90 minus theta, the whole square. So 2 square will become 4. Cos theta whole square will become cos square theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta whole square will become cos square 90 minus theta. So whole square I have written. And now this is once again equal to I0 by 4 into 2 cos theta into cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta the whole square. So this is equal to I0 by 4 into 2 sin theta cos theta is a sine of 2 theta. Theorem is there in trigonometry. So this is a sine of 2 theta the whole square. Now what is given here? That is we have to get the maximum light from the whole arrangement. That means I2 must be maximum. So for I2 to be maximum, sin 2 theta must be equal to 1, is it not? The maximum value of sin theta is 1. So for I2 to be maximum, this sine of 2 theta must be equal to 1. So 2 theta must be equal to what? 2 theta must be equal to sine inverse of 1, that is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the angle theta must be equal to what? 90 by 2, that is equal to 45 degree. This is the required answer. Understand that? So this angle theta must be 45 degree. Understand that? So that the 90 minus theta is 90 minus 45 is also 45 degree. So theta is equal to 45 degree is the right answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.